Good morning, everyone. Hello to all the parents who are attending parent orientation today. I would like to thank each one of you for being associated with us for all these years. Congratulations to all the children who are now getting promoted to their new respective classes. The year which has gone by was a testing year for each one of us, for the teachers, for parents, and mostly for the children. They saw the new side of learning. They were sitting at home for long 3 hours, taking their classes online from abstract. The teachers were trying to make it real for them, but we all have our own limitations. With the new session coming up now, CBSE has already announced the schools will start operating from 1st of April. We are looking forward to a very interesting academic session. In the beginning of this session, there is one assurance which I would like to give to each one of you, that the school building is completely safe and secure for your children. We are following all the safety protocols. We have an open door policy, so you can come and visit us anytime you want, and you can yourself see the safety parameters that we have put in place. So your children are safe and fine with us. Secondly, the bridge that has created between the academic learning of your children, we assure you that the kind of academic planning that we have done for the next session, session 21-22, we will be able to help your child bridge that gap. We assure you that this break, or this online break, I would say, that we have got for year 2020, your child will not suffer. The child's growth and learning will not suffer because of that. Lastly, I would like to thank all the parents who have been with us through thick and thin, who have always been appreciating our teachers for delivering online classes, for the kind of conduct that they have created. It is through your encouragement that our teachers have the feeling of delivering more. Thank you for collaborating with us. Thank you for your kind patience. And thank you for all the feedback and suggestions that you have been giving us every now and then. We appreciate that. We would rather like more of it coming in. We are open for your suggestions. Please do share whatever comes to your mind in terms with bringing progression in this school, making it a better place for your children and for everyone. So thank you, parents, for staying in touch with us, being connected to us, and working with us as one big family. All the best for the new academic session.